What's up, you guys? Welcome to a new episode, First Timers. We got myself, Hiro, here, and we got Project G right behind me. So if you guys aren't up to date with the project, I'll put a playlist up at the top here. But if you are, you'll know that on our last episode, I did a Z-tube install. And as far as like making the engine bay look cleaner, that's a plus. But I didn't notice any audible noises increase. And perhaps it may be because I'm still using the stock air filter, not like a K&N or anything like that, or a cone filter. But I mean, you know, I wanted to do the Z-tube anyways, just because I wanted to get rid of that resonator box. But I did ultimately want the noise to increase. But since I didn't get that, I picked up a muffler delete exhaust. As you can see here, I've already painted the pipe and somewhat polished the tips as much as I could. There are some scrapes on the ends here. I think the ones that are on my car right now are much better, but since that's the bottom portion, I'm not gonna worry too much. But most of you guys know what a stock VQ sound like, but if you guys don't know, here's a short clip. So I'm excited. This is gonna be really nice. I know some of you guys don't particularly like this setup, but I've watched a few videos and I think I might like it. It might be just what I want. I don't want a straight pipe. I don't want a single exit. And this does have the stock resonator. So from what I've researched, the resonator is what keeps that VQ exhaust note. So just to amplify it a little bit, a muffler delete, plus the added benefit of weight savings. And you know how I am about weight savings. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna lift the car up. I'm gonna do this swap right now. You heard it. That is loud. It's loud, but I love it. I mean, driving, you don't hear it droney at like 3K and like, oh, it sounds so nice. I'm so excited to be just driving it around now. Like, it still has that distinct VQ noise or that sound. That's why I wanted to keep that resonator. A lot of you guys do the resonator delete and muffler delete, and I think it's a little too raspy when you do that. Even just the resonator delete and keeping the muffler, there's that hint of raspiness that I don't like. But now with just the resonator and no muffler, oh my goodness. I don't know, I love it. I love it. And I'm really happy with this mod. And here's the stock exhaust here. I'm gonna keep it just in case because, you know, you never know. You know, I don't want to say, but if I get pulled over and I have to swap it back, at least I have it. Loving this project. I'm loving this project, and everything that I do to it just makes me more happy with this car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe for more updates on this Project G. All right, peace out, guys. Woo!